Welcome back, part 6. Today I'm going to start stripping my chassis down, getting all the old stuff off, paint it up, new bushes, ready to go onto here, my new one. Yesterday got the engine out, gearbox out, so that's ready for new rear main seal, potentially a new clutch while I'm there, new turbo. First job's wiring loom, I've already pulled it out. Going to get that cleaned up into the new chassis. I'm also going to take a 7-core through because I'm going to add some lights on the back, so it's easier to run it in now than when the body's on. Nice. Cables stay there. Oh fuck, let's pull it out. Right, wiring loom is in, only took about an hour and a half. What I ended up doing was putting my own draw wire through, because in the chassis you'll find there's lumps like here and here, and the draw wire was run over the top, so you couldn't pull the plugs through. So once you got past this section here, it flies through. But anyway, that's in now. I've got my extra 7-core cable there just for future proofing, any switches and lights and stuff I want to put it back. That was grim. quite a lot.
That is,
Probably too much.
that is quite a lot. But who am I to judge? Go on, give yourself some war paint. Lock him right now. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That was nice. Oh yeah. Now cross-thread all of these. Is there a torque spec on these?
There is, yeah, 25 Newton meters. I think. I will check.
We're good.
Bosh. Getting this bush out was a bit of a pain. I had to cut it with a hacksaw blade. I tried pushing it out with grease, just couldn't get that to work, so cutting it and then chiseling it out was the best option for me. Wasn't that hard, just a bit time consuming. Is it? Yeah, it's perfect. Fucking on like that.
That's there, look.
Nice. There you go. Didn't use an alignment tool in the end, just used the socket. It seems to have held it. No cross washers. So I ran out of storage there, so it stopped recording annoyingly, but the engine's just 2 mounts, one either side. Gearbox, got that lined up relatively easily, just a bit of jiggling. And then all that's left is a transfer box to go on. But I've got one off a Discovery for the better ratios. So I just need to change this mount, which I didn't realise, but luckily I've got the old one still. And then that can go on.
Keep pushing. There she goes.
Oh,
Alright.
yeah, just needed that little twiddle.
Yeah.
I think I was trying to do it, and
Yeah, I think you was just on the thing and you did
Yeah.
it, and because it wasn't in gear, it was just rotating the whole lot, was just turning.
I had it out, so I thought
Yeah.
perhaps I can spin it round.
Yeah, you were just spinning it where it was touching, it was just spinning.
Yeah.